Hey everybody, this is Brad with ShadowTrader.net. It's currently about 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm recording this video, obviously during market hours still, but what I want to talk to you about today are some downside targets in the NASDAQ futures and Qs. I know it's kind of hard to believe. We don't talk about this very often. We talk about ES a lot. And even talking about downside targets is something that we haven't done a whole lot of lately because the market has been so bullish as of late. But things kind of changed the past few days. From Friday's high, we are actually one time framing lower from Friday. We have a lower high on Tuesday. Obviously, the Monday the markets were closed for the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, and today we have a lower high as well. But what I really want to talk about today as far as some downside targets, and again, even though the market's still open right now and trading, I found some very relevant targets to the downside, and I wanted to share those with you right now. Number one, looking at the low from here, basically December 6 lows, using the swing out method in the, using a trend line. You can see right here where it kind of terminates right around this, 510, 515 area. But that's not just the only important thing. The other important thing that I saw, and I love using the Fibonacci retracements from that same low to these highs, look at where the 50% retracement is. The 50% retracement basically terminates right around this area here of NASDAQ 15,000, call it 510 to 525. Remember, NASDAQ can be pretty crazy, so I very rarely will give, a very specific to the tick target. I always give ranges to the people that, listen every day in the room. But again, when I look at what has happened in the markets, making lower highs, we also now have a true gap above us, both the S&P and NASDAQ futures, and we have value building lower, and we also put a couple of VPOCs above us. I still think that there's a good chance that the market could roll back toward this target here of the 50% retracement in the NASDAQ futures. And again, I'm looking for, like I said, somewhere around that 16,000, 510 to 525 area, because it's a trend line touch and it's also a Fibonacci retracement from the, basically December 6 lows to the all-time highs that we hit at the end of the year. All right. So anyway, hope it helps. Enjoy, and I hope to see you in the room. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.